Okay. So I'm specifying the XML file path there. XML file path equal to the same thing what we used it here. Okay, and let's only run this tree. Okay, what that actually means. What name other XML file, because it is XML file path, we did not define it in there, so we got that error. So you got some, this has run, right? So what is this tree? What this tree contains is an XML object. So, and it is pointing to some address here. Okay. So this tree actually, if you do this get root and see what is this root. So it was showing elements holidays. So let's go open that XML. So it is pointing to this element holidays. You can see there dot root. If you can do this dot get root, what it will see is like it will point to the top node of the XML. Okay, so it is this holidays. It's not holy. There is also holiday, but it is holidays. Okay, so this one. So in case if you want to access the text here, so what is this and this and this, something like this, you have these, we call it like a child nodes to this. This is a parent node. Okay, first is like root node, and if you go these are like child nodes. These two are the child nodes for this node. Okay, and this is parent node for these two childs. Okay, something like that. Similarly, this has child nodes again here, and this has child nodes again here. So we have to parse to each level, and in case you know the path like this, like holidays, holiday, date, you can directly get these values. If not, you have to go through kind of get parent, go to child, something like that. So let's see like how to do it. Okay, so this root, let's see what we have. So if you see here, I did there. So get children is one thing, items is one more thing, keys, something like this. Okay, text. So let's see what we have. Okay, let's do root dot. What is that? Get children. Let's see get children later. First we'll see items. Okay, let's go for items. So if you see items, we got this year in 2017. So this is it. Okay, so in case if you write something else here, okay, so let me also write one more item equal to ABC, something like this. I wrote it. So let me run it again. So get root and root items. See, like you got like one more, whatever you write here. Okay, so all these you will be getting there, and you can access these text within the same node by using items. Okay, this is one thing. So if this is a list like where how to access it. Let me see, like if I want to access only the first one year, what is the name? Root dot items. So this is a list, right? So you can do of 0, you'll be getting this. So of 0 is year, and this is your like value of that year. Okay, so this way you can access this. So let me do the next thing, like let's go to children's. So root dot get children. See, if you do get children, you got two nodes. Okay, it has given us two lists. So which is these two? So first one and second one, these two we got. Okay, so to access each one from here, how we should do is like let's see, from these children's, if you want to access the first children, okay, dot 0, you'll be getting the first holiday one. So here you can do again items. Okay, type and other. Let's see if you see type equal to other. Okay, this way you can get dot children. Let's also dig one more step further. Let's do again get children. See, again you got like two more nodes, which were these two. So date and name. Okay, so now let's see what is the date value. So there are, in case if you go for first one, I'm selecting date. So if you go for get children, let's see what you'll be getting. You are not getting anything. It means there is no other children after this. Okay, this is the last. Like for date, you don't have one more children. Okay, so this is about this one. Let's see how to get a text for it. Okay, I'm going for date dot is the items. If you see items, there is nothing, which means this is a node, right? At this node, inside node, you don't have anything. It is there. The format you see like dot items. If you see, it came whatever you write it here within this, right? Within that node. So, but we are writing it separately. Means like at this level for to access something here, what you should be doing is dot text. So you got Jan1. Okay, you are able to access this. Similarly, this is for date, right? So similarly, in case you are going for the second part, let me delete this number. Okay, so for one dot text, you got like this new year. So similarly, if you want for the second node, you can do something like get children, second children. This is October 2nd. And what is that text? If you keep one here, you got like the text what is there inside. So this is the second node, date and Gandhi. Yes. So these are this is how you can parse the data within XML. Okay. So this is about it. Like in case if you want to, but you want to directly jump into this one particular path. So now, in case if you want to access directly from root node, you don't want to go for get children, but you know already whatever names you have, this holidays, holiday and date, you can directly jump there by doing this find all holiday slash date. Let us go with this. Okay, so there will be okay. So there is some so holiday date. So let's only okay. So let me check here. So find all. There is something like find all. Find all. If you do direct holiday, you'll be getting. Okay. But I have done it directly. See, find all. If you know it is a holiday dot holiday, you can go for nodes till here. So this is a different kind of node, so you are not going there. But till here, you are able to do it by doing find all. Let's say if you have one more. Similarly, I am copying few more nodes here. Okay. So instead of holiday, I keep it like something else, some different. Okay. Let me also copy this. So let me run again those. Mainly this one. So I added one more thing here. If you see here, two more nodes I have added. It came like this. So in case if you want to go only there, you can root dot find all. You can write that you will be getting these two elements. Okay. So and inside that element, so we can do a kind of for loop. For let me do for each node in this one. Okay. So again each node, now we got like one node at a time. So each node dot in that, like we have to go for find date, let us say date. So let's go for date node. Let us, in case we get find date node, and then on this date node, let's print what is there in the text. Okay, dot text. So let's see if it will work. See, and similarly, let me also go for other than date, what is there inside? Name, right? Okay. So if you want this name, it's not name node. Let's put name node dot text. See, directly from beginning, like you don't have to do get children, get children. If you know whatever uh, kind of this like node names you have, if you want to directly parse it and print like what all the data what you require, you can do it by looping it through for loop and then do dot find. Like observe this thing, find all. If you do, it will get all the like nodes which are similar to here. Okay, but in case you do find, it will only give you a first one, not both. See the numbers there. Okay, so it will only give the first one which it could find. It will try to search here from root, right? From at root level, it is trying to search whatever string you gave here. Okay, so AKCMK. Okay, so that is here. It will return the first one. Okay, so but in case we put find all, it will return all the nodes at this level. Okay, so this one and this one, it has written 2 here. So at that point it will be a list, and if it is just a find, it will be direct node. It won't be a list type. Okay, that is a different. So again what we did here is, after finding a holiday, for each node, this is a node, right? Each node will be this. So we are going through a loop, right? So each node dot find. So next time we are searching for find. So the find and then date. So it will search for first find date, and then it will return that node to date node. Similarly, it will return this name node to name node. And we are printing here dot text and dot text of those nodes. So this is how this is done. Okay, this is about XML parsing.